Juggling receipts, keeping track of expenses, and making sure everything stays compliant, it can feel like a never-ending battle. That's where online business bank accounts like Qonto come in. They promise to streamline your finances, automate tasks, and make your life easier. But before you jump in and sign up for Qonto, there's one crucial question you need to answer. How much money can you actually send with your account? Let's dive deep into the world of Qonto sending limits and see if it fits your business needs. Understanding sending limits, why they exist. Sending limits might seem like an annoyance, but they actually serve an important purpose. Financial institutions like Qonto have to comply with regulations to prevent fraud and money laundering. These limits help them identify suspicious activity and keep your account secure. Qonto sending limits, decoded. Qonto offers different plans with varying sending limits. Here's a breakdown of the most common ones. Free plan, great for freelancers and solopreneurs with limited transactions. The sending limit is usually around €1,000 per month. Essential plan, this plan caters to businesses with slightly higher volumes. Sending limits typically range from €5,000 to €20,000 per month depending on your business profile and activity. Smart plan, designed for growing businesses, this plan offers higher limits, often reaching €50,000 per month. Premium plan, the top-tier plan caters to established businesses with significant financial needs. Sending limits can be customized based on your specific requirements, often exceeding €100,000 per month. Important note, these are just general figures. The actual sending limit for your account will depend on several factors, including your business activity. Qonto analyzes your transaction history to determine your spending patterns. Consistent, legitimate transactions will likely lead to higher limits. Account verification, providing Qonto with proper documentation during verification strengthens your account's legitimacy and can unlock higher limits. Length of service, the longer you've been a Qonto customer, the better understanding they have of your business, potentially leading to increased limits over time. Boosting your sending limits, strategies for success. If you find yourself needing to send more than your current limit allows, here are some tips. Upgrade your plan. Moving to a higher tier plan is the most straightforward way to increase your sending capacity. Contact Qonto support, explain your business needs and past transaction history. If your situation is legitimate, they might be able to raise your limit manually. Spread out transactions. If possible, consider breaking down large payments into smaller, more manageable ones that fall within your current limit. Utilize transfers. Instead of sending directly from your Qonto account, consider transferring funds to another business bank account with higher sending limits, then make the payment from there. Remember, always maintain transparency and provide necessary documentation when requesting a limit increase. Beyond sending limits, other Qonto features to consider. While sending limits are important, Qonto offers a range of features that make managing your business finances easier, including instant virtual cards, generate secure virtual cards for online purchases, enhancing security and expense tracking. Automatic expense categorization, save time by letting Qonto automatically categorize your transactions. Multi-currency accounts, manage transactions in multiple currencies, simplifying international business operations. Integration with accounting software, streamline your workflow by connecting Qonto to popular accounting platforms. Finding the perfect balance. Choosing the right Qonto plan involves finding a balance between sending limits, features, and cost. Carefully analyze your business needs and growth potential before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.